Dexter!
End of the line, Cool Breeze. End of the line. I am not playing games here. Stand over. Easy. That's it, Dexter. Nice and easy, Dex. That's it. Ooh! Oh!
Good Lord, Lawrence, why are you slapping a monkey?
Teddy, this guy's been pushing me, and I'm sick of it.
Poppycock, this little creature is your primate brother. Without him, there's no us. Are you rabid? Wipe that off. You have to deal with this creature with love and respect. May I have the keys, dear friend? Thank you. Lawrence?
Well, you know what? You seem to know what you're doing, Teddy, so I'm gonna let you take over, all right?
Lawrence! No, no! My dear boy, you can't put up the white flag now. The museum is on the verge of total anarchy.
Look, I tried. I came back tonight, didn't I?
Tried. That was one night. I didn't build the Panama Canal in one day.
Yeah, well, that's great, Teddy, but I'm dealing with the most ridiculous